Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace VW Touareg key battery Easy Guide. Press the key release and slide out the emergency blade before opening the fob casing with a thin, flat tool. Remove the old CR2032 battery, note its orientation, and insert the new battery with the positive side facing up. Snap the casing back together and test the remote functions from several meters away to confirm successful replacement. In this video, I will show how to replace VW Touareg key battery Easy Guide. Carefully insert the flat tool at the seam and twist gently to separate the two halves without cracking the plastic. Work around the perimeter to release hidden clips, then lift the cover slowly to expose the battery. Observe how the battery sits and the metal contacts, and avoid touching contacts with your fingers to prevent corrosion from oils. In this video, I will show how to replace VW Touareg key battery Easy Guide. Place the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation as the old one and press it into the contact clip until secure. Refit any internal clips or screws, then snap the shell halves back together evenly to avoid misalignment. Test the key on the vehicle and use the emergency blade to manually unlock if needed until the remote responds normally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.